Hi, this is Learn Igbo on Igboticnono. You're welcome back to my channel once again. In today's video, we're going to be talking about Learn Igbo language, a phrase in Igbo which we all know about, which we all hear all the time. We'll be discussing about it today, and that is ka. Ka in Igbo is Ugbo-Ala. Ugbo-Ala. Ugbo-Ala is ka in Igbo. Ugbo-Ala. Guys, I will be looking at this angle from time to time. That is because I have my notes down already, okay? And some sentences that's usually around this, which we use most often, is what I'll be introducing now. That will help you to that will help in your Igbo vocabulary, which is the essence of teaching you Igbo, right? So the Igbo word for today, which is Ugbo-Ala, ka. Ugbo-Ala, ka. And these are sentences that are accompanied with it. Ugbo-Ala na-agba ọsọ ọsọ. Ugbo-Ala na-agba ọsọ ọsọ. Ugbo-Ala na-agba ọsọ ọsọ basically means this car is running fast. This car is running fast. Ugbo-Ala ji nwayọ aga. Ugbo-Ala ji nwayọ aga basically means this car is driving slowly. Ugbo-Ala ji nwayọ aga. And another vocabulary sentence that we can use around this Igbo word, this Igbo phrase, whatever you feel like referring it to as, is Ugbo-Ala dị ọhụrụ. Ugbo-Ala dị ọhụrụ. Ugbo-Ala dị ọhụrụ. Ugbo-Ala dị ọhụrụ means this car is new. This car is new. This car is the latest. This car is new. Ugbo-Ala eteela ọpụtara. Ugbo-Ala eteela ọpụtara. Ugbo-Ala eteela ọpụtara. This car is old time, it's out. Like, it's old time. This car is an old model. It's been long, this car is out. Ugbo-Ala eteela ọpụtara. Ugbo-Ala dị ochie. Ugbo-Ala dị ochie also means this car is old. You know, when you're emphasizing on this car is old, you say Ugbo-Ala dị ochie. When you're emphasizing that this car has been long, it came out like, you know that Mercedes flat boot. That one is Ugbo-Ala eteela ọpụtara. You're emphasizing that it's been a long time it's out. So it's a bit different from Ugbo-Ala dị. Ugbo-Ala dị ochie can mean maybe it's 5 years back, it's 4 years back. But Ugbo-Ala eteela ọpụtara can be it's 20 years back. You see the difference, it's a lot. Another sentence around this is ọ dagidere na Ugbo-Ala. Ọ dagidere na Ugbo-Ala. Ọ dagidere na Ugbo-Ala means he or she is leaning on the car. He or she is leaning on the car. Some people, they don't like you to lean on their car, especially when the car is new. Apart from when the car is new, we see all these old professors, all these old grandfathers that made money in those days. Their car is old, but you dare not lean on that car. You dare not lean on it. The way they will chase you out there, like, when you even come out of the car, you even have to like look back and see the car. This man is shouting on you to not to lean on. Or that Ugbo-Ala, he or she leaned on the car. Ugbo-Ala na-agba ọkụ. Ugbo-Ala na-agba ọkụ. Ugbo-Ala na-agba ọkụ. Ugbo-Ala na-agba ọkụ. This car is burning. This car is burning. This car is burning. Ugbo-Ala mara oke mma. Ugbo-Ala mara oke mma. Ugbo-Ala mara oke mma. Ugbo-Ala mara oke mma means this car is very beautiful. Like, you're emphasizing on the fact that it's extremely beautiful. It's different from Ugbo-Ala mara mma. Just, it's fine like other regular fine. Do you understand? But when you say Ugbo-Ala mara oke mma, you're emphasizing so much on how beautiful that car is. Do you understand? So guys, please, if you're not subscribed to this channel yet, please kindly do so. On this channel, we learn how to speak Igbo language. We learn how to improve on our Igbo vocabularies. We learn the Igbo words and phrases as much as we can. I post a video every blessed day on this channel. So if you're very serious to learning Igbo language, I think this channel is for you, okay? And we continue. Emeka na akwa Ugbo-Ala mebiri emebi. This is long. I'm going to take it severally. Emeka na akwa Ugbo-Ala mebiri emebi. 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 Emeka is pushing a sport car. Emeka is pushing a sport car. Akwa Ugbo-Ala emebichala. Akwa Ugbo-Ala emebichala. Akwa Ugbo-Ala emebichala. That's the body of the car, or whatever thing you feel you use in design your car. It's fault. Do you understand? Akwa Ugbo-Ala emebichala. Oche Ugbo-Ala adịghịzi mma. Oche Ugbo-Ala adịghịzi mma. Oche Ugbo-Ala adịghịzi mma. Oche Ugbo-Ala adịghịzi mma. The car seat is not good anymore, okay? This car seat is not good anymore. Aga m azụta Ugbo-Ala ọhụrụ. Aga m azụta Ugbo-Ala ọhụrụ. Aga m azụta Ugbo-Ala ọhụrụ. I'm going to buy a new car. Ugbo-Ala na-enye m oke nsogbu. 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 This car is giving me a lot of problems. This car is giving me a lot of problems. So that is why I want to buy a new car, basically. This car is giving me a lot of problems. Ugbo-Ala na-aṅụ oke mmanụ. Ugbo-Ala na-aṅụ oke mmanụ. Ugbo-Ala na-aṅụ oke mmanụ. Ugbo-Ala na-aṅụ oke mmanụ. Basically means this car is taking a lot of oil, engine oil, a lot of fuel, you know, generally, okay? So guys, this brings us to the end of this video. If you've not subscribed yet, I'm not happy about that. I suppose you should subscribe and join this family, igboticnono family. On this channel, as I've addressed earlier, I teach Igbo language, Igbo vocabularies, I learn Igbo words, they learn Igbo words on this channel, phrases and what have you. So if you're very keen in being very good with your Igbo vocabularies, with your knowing your Igbo phrases, Igbo words every blessed day, then this channel is definitely for you. I post videos on this channel every blessed day. If YouTube tries to assist channels like us that are very serious with what we are doing, then the sky is our limit.